Hey everyone, today we are spicing your Spotify groove. Learn how to crossfade like a pro, whether you are on mobile or desktop. For mobile app, launch the Spotify app on your mobile device. In the upper right corner, tap on the gear icon to access the setting. Scroll down and in the playback section, you can now set the duration of the crossfade between songs using the slider. Move the slider to your desired crossfade duration. For desktop app, launch the Spotify application on your desktop computer. Click on the downward facing arrow next to your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the playback section and switch on the crossfade songs option. Here, you can set crossfade duration between songs using the slider. Slide it to your desired crossfade duration. Close the setting app to save your crossfade setting. Smooth transition unlocked. Now you are ready to vibe seamlessly on Spotify. Like, subscribe, and keep jamming.